their views on that judgment on Thursday. And this comes as a section of leaders allied to the two handshake principles, President Uhuru Kenyatta and ODM leader Raila Odinga, say the battle for constitutional change has just begun. The leaders, who attended a Thanksgiving event at Kieni MP Kanini Kega's home, have maintained they will not back down on the quest for constitutional change. Led by Agriculture CS Peter Munya and Mount Kenya governors led by Kirinyaga Governor Anne Waiguru and Tharaka Nithi counterpart Muthomi Njuki, they say all is not lost, even as ANC leader Musalia Mudavadi cautioned against constitutional timelines ahead of the next general elections. Let's listen in.
All is not lost. We have not hit a dead end. There is an opportunity, and indeed Weweru has talked of it. In my view, you can take a two-pronged approach. The first one, which is the legal one that he has mentioned, go through the appeal process and through the courts dismantle the arguments that were presented in the lower court. To me, the BBI set out most fundamentally to put in process equity and healing in the country.
Article 1 is very clear that power belongs to the people. If the people decide today to amend the constitution, nobody, including parliament, can stop the people from amending the constitution.
You can't give judgment that cannot be implemented. You start saying the IEBC now currently constituted is not complete. It can't oversee elections, and it has overseen many already. So what do we do with those who have been elected? We even have elections on Tuesday.
You know, when somebody says that this is not a popular initiative, that there was no consultation, which would be the best way of consulting the Kenyans if it's not through the 46 county assemblies who voted yes in the assemblies for the BBI? Who do they represent?
We expect obstacles. We have been people who claimed we would not get signatures, we got them. People who claimed the IBC would not confirm, it did. They claimed county assemblies would not pass it, they did it overwhelmingly. They claimed to not pass in Senate, it did. Claimed to not pass in National Assembly, it did. Today they think it will not pass in the judiciary, in the courts. I assure them it will. And it will pass in the referendum. So we also want to urge Kenyans, do not get worried.
Away from BBI matters, now to the by-election, security has been